Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the not a part of Netflix household. So let's get started. First, go to your settings and open your settings and in the search bar search here for VPN settings. Once you are in, make sure that your VPN connection is disconnected. Now, close the Netflix completely like this and then disconnect your desktop like this for the restarting app. Now, open your Netflix again like this. You will see that are not connected to the internet. Now, then select a profile even without the internet. Now, close Netflix again and turn back on the Wi-Fi connection like this. Once you are connected, reopen the Netflix app or you can just refresh the page and you will see that your errors is disappear and it should work now without errors. So that's it, you are back on Netflix. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.